Hi folks, Terry Brown here, and I'm going to thank you for stopping by to check out this video today. And this wonderful tool, wonderful business opportunity just launched on June the 3rd, 2019, and they even have the time here. So it was 10 a.m. in the morning on June the 3rd. And this is an incredible tool, an incredible system. For those of you who are looking to build a business online, then this is the tool that you want to know about. It's called MyVIP Contacts, okay? And man, you'll receive unlimited rotators, unlimited ad trackers, unlimited splash pages, unlimited autoresponders, and so much more. I've got just a really short video I want to share with you. Check this out and then get signed up today. This is absolutely powerful, okay?
Welcome to MyVIP Contacts, where your subscribers truly are VIPs. MyVIPContacts.com is an unlimited everything all-in-one internet marketing tool brought to you by Dave Mosher in Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas. Unlimited autoresponders with unlimited subscribers, unlimited ad trackers, unlimited URL rotators, unlimited splash pages, unlimited digital downloads, massive referral builder to create multiple stream of income and traffic, and 12 lifetime Safelist gold upgrades. No limits, and the best part is it's only $10.97 a month for an unlimited pro membership. If you're a promoter, you get paid $5 a month for every unlimited pro member you refer. Create as many autoresponders as you need with no limits on the number of subscribers your list grows to, with zero price increases just because your list has grown. Did you know it costs $29.95 a month to $49.95 a month to set up an autoresponder through companies like Aweber, GetResponse, and Constant Contact? Then, as your list grows, your monthly fees grow too. At MyVIP Contacts, it doesn't matter how large your list grows. It's unlimited, included in your $10.97 a month subscription. Create unlimited ad trackers so you can test your subject lines, offers, or even track which sites give you the most clicks. Included in your $10.97 per month subscription. Create unlimited URL rotators. Share your traffic with your downline, or you can even rent out your traffic by adding someone's link to your rotator for a specific amount of days before it expires. Got a great offer? Give your buyers 30 days in rotation just for purchasing. Add their link with a set expiration date, and you're done. Included $10.97 per month subscription. Create unlimited splash pages or even turn them into lead capture pages. Not only can you choose from a library of over 1,700 stock photos and clip art images, you can also upload your own images to create as many unique splash pages or capture pages as you want. Unlimited, included in your $10.97 per month subscription. Download unlimited digital products with resale rights, master resale rights, or private label rights. This includes ebooks, software, video training series, templates, and graphics. Use them to give away with your offers, or even use them to educate yourself for personal use. There are well over 1,000 plus digital downloads available to you in the members area, and more are added every single month. Over 150 digital products on list building, using autoresponders, professional email swipes, copywriting, and more. Over 150 digital products on social media like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube, and more. Hundreds of ebooks, software programs, website templates, graphics, and more. You get it all included in your $10.97 a month subscription. Then there's the massive referral builder that helps you to create multiple streams of income and traffic. Already over 200 plus resources and growing. Dave Mosher's been at it since before 2009, and this downline builder not only includes his sites, it includes sites of owners he trusts or has had a long-term relationship with. That's important because you don't want to join a site that disappears tomorrow. To top things off, and one feature that sets MyVIP Contacts aside from all of the other all-in-one type sites out there is that Dave Mosher is going to give you 12 lifetime gold Safelist upgrades. Even if you cancel your $10.97 per month subscription within your first 30 days, Those 12 lifetime gold Safelist upgrades are yours to keep. It's one thing to have all of the tools, but you still need traffic. So just to recap, Dave Mosher is going to give you unlimited autoresponders, unlimited ad trackers, unlimited URL rotators, unlimited splash pages, unlimited digital downloads, and 12 lifetime gold Safelist upgrades for only $10.97 a month. And Dave's going to pay you $5 a month for every pro member you refer to MyVIP Contacts. Just click the Join Now button and get started today.
Wow, those young ladies are simply amazing. They really explained this program, didn't they? Think about it. Unlimited rotators, unlimited ad trackers, unlimited splash pages, unlimited autoresponders, and everything else that they talked about. This is an incredible program for only $10.97 per month if you want to go pro, or you can just stay an affiliate, okay? That's up to you. So grab the link and get started today. Bye-bye now.